What's up, FPV Enthusiasts? So as you can see over here, I've got all the entries for the giveaway tallied up, and we're ready to spin that. But first, I wanted to say thank you to everyone who took the time to subscribe to the channel and reaching my goal. We've actually kind of surpassed the goal. Sorry that it's taken so long to get this video done and ready, so that way we can actually get this Hummingbird given away. If you only gave me your name, I just put your first name and last initial on there, just because I didn't want to type everyone's full name in there, just to kind of provide some sort of privacy. But thank you to everyone who gave me like your FPV names or like gamer tag or whatever, because it was just a little bit easier. Before we get to it though, I do want to take a moment just to say thank you to everybody who took the time to subscribe and watch the video and leave comments. It was great just seeing all the people come through. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to giving this away. It's ready to go. It's just waiting to be boxed up and sent out. So I am going to try and keep this video nice and short, so that way we can just spin and see who's going to win this. I'm not entirely sure the exact number of people that entered, but it's definitely over 50. So we had a lot of interest in this, and it's pretty awesome. Now, I know I'm running a giveaway and I was trying to increase my subscribers and all that stuff, but please consider staying subscribed after this. We are working towards the 1,000 subscriber mark, and I am planning a pretty nice giveaway for that. And even between that, I might do another one. I'm actually looking at the new Hummingbird, the race spec V2 that just came out. I might possibly do a giveaway with that. I'm not entirely sure, but keep up with the channel, so that way, if I do, you'll be ready for that. All right, guys, just a couple things right here real quick before we actually spin the wheel. Recording this after the fact. I don't know if you can notice if the audio sounds better right now. Unfortunately, the rest of the video, other than this part, was actually recorded through the microphone on my camera. I recently rebuilt my computer and I've been getting things reset up, and I didn't change my audio input source. So sorry if it sounds bad. I tried to clean it up as best as I could, so hopefully it's all right. Okay, so what I want to say is if you guys would like to support the channel a little bit to help provide some funds and stuff for future giveaways, that would be greatly appreciated, but definitely not required. Something here I wanted to show real quick. Here, if you go to my YouTube channel, Hypnos FPV, and you click on like more to see the links here, here's all my affiliate links, and then actually if you click on this here, you can go directly to this website to see some merch that I have. I'm actually wearing my shirt right now. A couple people have gotten it and they really like it. It's super comfortable. I did cut the sleeves off mine because I cut the sleeves off all of my shirts. My wife really hates it that I do that, but yeah, anyway, so here's some stuff here. Any money that I would make from any of this, I will put right back into the channel, mainly giveaways. So if that's something that you're interested in, that would be greatly appreciated. And yeah, that's all I really have to say about that. So let's get over and spin that wheel. Just going to keep rolling and just do the spin. Let's find out. Let's see, who is it? Who's it going to be? We're off. Round and round. And the winner is... No way. It is actually props off. Oh my goodness. So, as I mentioned before, I'm going to leave 72 hours. Props off, our winner here needs to send me an email verifying that he saw this and that he accepts the giveaway. And yeah, all right. As fun as it was doing the video before and planning the giveaway and everything, the anticipation of doing the giveaway has been driving me crazy. So I really do appreciate everyone that took the time to subscribe and help me reach the goal, so that way I could actually do this giveaway. As I mentioned before, please stay subscribed. If you have any other FPV friends, let them know that, hey, this Hypnos guy's been doing some giveaways. He's planning some more. Maybe you should check him out. Maybe you should subscribe to him. I'd really appreciate that. That being said, I guess we have a winner. All right, yeah, so nice, short, sweet video here. Congratulations to Prop Off. Congratulations to Prop Off. Congratulations to Props Off for winning this Hummingbird V4. I'm excited to get this to you. Like I said, just send me an email acknowledging that you saw this and that you accept the giveaway. And that's all I have, guys. So I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks again. Happy flying.
Hypnos FPV, face the night, crashes out but we take flight. With every challenge we rise higher, driven by determination. As if in a fight,